Every day, factories like this quietly power kitchens around the world. This journey begins with raw sunflower seeds, arriving in massive quantities. Thousands of kilograms are unloaded within minutes, without stopping the flow. From this point on, everything moves continuously, guided by automation. The scale is designed for efficiency, not for pauses. These silos hold reserves that keep production running day and night. Every movement is monitored from a central control room. Before processing begins, seed quality is checked in real time. Only clean, approved seeds are allowed to move forward. And now, the real transformation is about to begin. Before oil can be extracted, every seed must be cleaned. Stones, metal fragments, and debris are removed automatically. Airflow separates what belongs from what does not. Vibration screens ensure only uniform seeds move ahead. Magnets protect machines and oil from contamination. This process happens in stages, without stopping the flow. Modern sensors scan quality in real time. Anything below standard is quietly removed. What remains is a clean, consistent stream of seeds. Now, the outer shell is no longer needed. The next step removes what no longer serves a purpose. The shells are cracked, not crushed. Inside each seed is the part that matters. Airflow does the separating. The husks are removed completely from the process. Only intact, oil-rich kernels move forward. Any remaining shells are removed through multiple passes. At this point, the process becomes very precise. The kernels are briefly stored before pressing. Now, pressure begins to change everything. This is where structure starts to break down. Pressure is applied carefully, not violently. The kernels are flattened into thin flakes. Everything here is designed to move without stopping. Even millimeters matter at this stage. Flattening happens in stages, not all at once. This texture allows oil to escape later. Machines run the process, humans verify precision. Now, heat prepares the flakes for extraction. This step makes oil flow possible. Now, heat is introduced in a controlled way. Temperature is carefully regulated at every second. This slow mixing prevents damage to the oil. Steam softens the flakes without cooking them. Moisture is adjusted to the exact level needed. At this point, the internal structure begins to open. The process never stops. It only moves forward. Final checks confirm the flakes are ready. Everything is now prepared for extraction. This is where oil finally begins to appear. This is where pressure takes control. The press works slowly, but relentlessly. This is the first moment oil is released. Once it starts, the flow never stops. What remains behind is the solid press cake. The oil is collected immediately after extraction. Hundreds of tons are pressed every hour. This oil is raw, unrefined, and powerful. Now, it must be cleaned and refined. Extraction is complete. Refining begins. The oil is extracted, but it is not finished yet. Filtration removes remaining solid particles. Natural gums are separated to improve stability. This step balances the oil chemically. Color is adjusted without altering nutrition. Odors are removed using steam, not additives. What remains is clean, neutral sunflower oil. Each batch is tested before approval. Only approved oil moves forward. Now, it's ready for packaging. Packaging begins with precision and speed. Every bottle is cleaned before filling. Each bottle receives the exact same amount. Sensors confirm every fill meets the standard.
Caps are sealed automatically and securely.
Labels are applied at high speed. Production details are marked instantly. Final checks ensure nothing is missed. Bottles are packed and prepared for transport. The product is now ready to leave the factory. Once packaged, the oil enters storage. Automation prepares every pallet for transport. Logistics keep everything moving on schedule. From here, the oil leaves the factory. It begins the final stage of its journey. Some of it will travel across countries and oceans. This process repeats thousands of times every day. All from a simple sunflower seed. Efficient, controlled, and continuous. Next time you use sunflower oil, you'll know the journey behind every drop.